Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to add an image or emoji to the cup using image textures in UV unwrapping. If you don't know anything about UV unwrapping, you're in the right place. We'll cover a very simple method because applying an image to a cup is easy and straightforward. If you haven't watched the first video on how to model this cup, make sure to check it out. Before we begin, you'll need a PNG image with a transparent background. You can create one in Photoshop, GIMP, or any free drawing apps like Krita, or join my Telegram channel to download and use the same image. The link is in the description and comments. All right, let's get started. In layout mode, switch to edit mode and select the edges where you want the image to appear. Since we're keeping this simple, we don't need complex UV unwrapping. Just select these areas. Press Ctrl+E and select Mark Seam. Do the same for the other side. Switch to UV editing mode and set the right panel to Material Preview. On the left panel, click Open and select the image you want to use. On the right, select the cup, press A to select all. Go to Material Properties and click New. Under Base Color, click the yellow dot and choose Image Texture. Click the Image button and select the same image you loaded on the left panel. Now press U, Unwrap. You'll see the cut face and the unwanted faces appear on the left panel. Select the unwanted cut, press L to select the full cut, scale it down with S, and move it away with G. Select the main face from the cut, press L, then move it by pressing G while dragging. Adjust it to fit the image using Scale, S, and Rotate, R. Now the image should appear correctly on the cup. Adjust it as needed. Use the same on the other face cut. Switch back to layout mode and check the result in Material Preview. Now go to shading mode because we need to add 2 extra nodes. To add a node, Shift+A, Input RGB. Shift+A, Color, Mix Color. Place the Mix Color node in the center. Connect the nodes like this. Change color in the RGB. Okay, small mistake. Connect RGB color to A, image texture color to B, image texture, alpha to factor in the mix color, results to the base color. Now everything is perfect. Adjust metallic and roughness to get a glossy look. You can change the color as you like. And there you go. Your emoji cup is ready. I also added compositing, a sky texture, and some animation to my final render. If you want a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Good luck!